Namaste. Good morning to a session after so long. I am meeting you. How are you children today?
I'm fine, teacher.
Very,
I'm also fine.
very. May I know who's that? Is it Divya? Amita, I can see Amita Dadekar is raising hand. Okay. So today we are going to do something that is questions with be and have. If you remember in last session, we did with auxiliary verbs and main verb. Then we saw what is the difference between auxiliary and main. Can you tell me what is an auxiliary verb? Auxiliary means what? There was a word written in the packet.
Teacher, auxiliary verb म्हणजे ते आपल्याला helping verb, main
Yes,
verb ला help करतात.
very good. Helping verb or assisting verb. And when there are two or more verbs in a sentence, then there can be one main verb and others are auxiliary. And when there is no verb, okay, only one verb is there and that is helping verb, then what it is called? Is generally when there are 3-4 verbs are in sentences and then you say that yes, one is main verb and all 2 or 3 are assisting or helping verb. But now those helping verb, from those one of it appears in a sentence. And suppose the sentence is I am a teacher. Now here, which is a verb?
Am is helping verb.
Now see, watch again. My sentence is I am a teacher. Now, am is generally it is said a helping verb. So you said that helping verb. But when you can see no verb is there other than am, then what am is called?
Main verb.
Yes. So in the absence of helping verb, if only one helping verb is there, means generally it is helping, but if it is the single verb in the sentence, it is called a main verb. Here we are going to see more about that and how to frame question. Now, just to revise, if you know what are the be verbs and what are have verbs. So these are two different categories. Can you tell me some verbs from this be? What are be's verb? Just now I used one. I used one. And
Be.
what? Huh? See, be's verb, it is not, you have to start with be. It is be also, be, being and been. I wrote in last letter been here, but you are not yet familiar with that. So I just wiped off. मी इकडे लिहिला होता बिल पण तुम्हाला अजूनपर्यंत तो आलेला नाही मग मी पुसून टाकला See, I gave you a sentence now at the beginning of our lesson. So I used one of the be's verb. So what was that? When I said I am a teacher, so what is be's form here? What is the verb?
Am.
So am is also be's verb. Now you tell me, if I use am for me, what you will use for you? Or what I will use for you?
Teacher, you will use for me you and I will use for me am.
Yes.
Or me.
Now, this is a singular verb. What is another singular verb for he, she, it?
We.
For he, she, it. What we use? Like I am, you are. For he, she, it. What is it? I use it already.
He is.
Yes, is. So, am is are. Actually, this is now the way you told me. So, it is just shuffled, but you can say am is are. Okay, so this is for present tense. And what for past? For past, am and is. If I have to change my, see, last time we saw also that we have to convert the sentence from present to past. If I say that I am a teacher, this is in a simple present tense. Now convert this sentence, means change this sentence into a past. So how will be your sentence? I am a teacher. What to replace you? What to change the verb? How will you change I am a teacher? Make it past. See, sometimes you have to do a oral work. That is why I'm not writing it on the board. Very, very simple. My sentence is I am a teacher. Change it into past. भूतकाळात करा ते वाक्य कसं करणार? I am a teacher. I'm talking about the things happen past. Amचं काय करणार? Namrita, do you want to share? Her hand is raised. Do you want to share it?
सुकी सावंत.
अरे हा ओके बोल कसं करणार आपण शिकलोय हे परत परत विसरता का so always I take a review of last session this is sort of review and so we can lead to the next session okay so now if my sentence now see I am a teacher when we have to convert the sentence we have to spot a verb okay and we change it see this is present I am a teacher for past I. Past tense of am. Was it past tense of am? Was. Now you will come to know. आठवलं का जरा तरी? I am a teacher. I was a teacher. It means I am not a teacher anymore. I was a teacher. Once upon a time, I was teaching in the school. Now I am not teaching. Okay. So I was. So we just change am into was. That is how we convert sentences. Okay. Now we don't convert whole sentence, but just we check what is the part we have to change and then we change. So am is are and was. Now for are, what is the past? What is the past form of are? Just to replace this I with you. You, बघा तुम्ही confused नका होऊ रे. See here I am just replacing it with you. So what I have to write here? You dash a teacher. For am what I will write here?
You are a teacher.
Okay, you are. Now are is a verb. The rest sentence is the same. Okay, you are a teacher. Now convert this into past. Here we will replace I with you. And for was, what we will write here? आरचा past tense काय आहे? You are a teacher. You were a teacher. The rest sentence is same. Were. So am is past tense is was. Are past tense were. So was were. इतकं काय कन्फ्युज व्हायचं अरे बी म्हणजे am is are was were आणि do does did आहे आणि have आता what are have form very simple for have we have very few सांगा बरं
How are you?
have चे form सांगा what are the forms for have first is have I have sentence see check for a sentence
I have been.
Has had.
Have and has present tense okay have had and past tense had so had for all
And
have has but this is for present and had past for all like I we you he she it and they all had there is no difference and for present tense I we you they have he she it has is it clear now आपण तो चार्ट पण केला होता विसरू नका so these are the things we are going to use while we are framing questions. Okay. So to frame questions, we must know the rules. What to use. Okay. आता हे सेंटेन्स घेऊन आपण जर समजा क्वेश्चन करायचं म्हटलं बघा. सी तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन आहे ना. सेम सेंटेन्स I am a teacher. Can you give me another sentence so that we can take another sentence? Be sure that you are going to use these. Okay.
I have one cat.
Frame a question. Okay. I have a cat. When you have one, no need to say one. Okay. You can say I have a cat. Means single. Okay. I have a cat. आता आपण इकडूनच सुरुवात केली. ठीक आहे. चला हरकत नाही. Okay. I have a cat. So this is a statement. A statement. Simple sentence. Okay. Now to convert this sentence into question. How will you convert this into question? कसं करणार question मध्ये? Spot a verb. Spot a verb. What is the verb here in the sentence? What is the verb in the sentence? Can you see the verb? Have. Yes, good. So have is a verb. So always raise a question using a verb. Have I? See, simple. Have I? I have a cat. Have I? Okay, good. Now give me any sentence with this. Am, are, is. Come on, give me a sentence. This was our first sentence. Now tell me second.
I am.
Huh?
I have pencil.
Now don't take have. Use any this.
I am.
Huh?
I am teacher.
Change it. Make it another.
Doctor.
What are you?
Doctor.
Okay, I am a doctor. Now, what is the verb over here?
I am.
Oh, three verb.
Am.
I, and what is I? I is the subject. Subject, me, the person who acts. Okay, so that is I. That is subject. Okay. Now, convert this into question. How? I am a doctor. So,
I am a doctor.
No, this is a question. Bas. I am a doctor. Am I or am I a doctor? You can further add the phrase, the remaining part of a sentence you can add here. Or you can just stop here. Okay. So, this is a short question. You can raise it using the
टीचर तुमचा माइक म्यूट आहे.
कोण करतं मला कळत नाही रे. माझा तर हात तिकडे गेला सुद्धा नाही. असं करायचं नाही रे बाळांनो. कारण हे काय मी माझ्यासाठी करते का? तुम्ही उगाच नवीन नवीन काहीतरी ट्राय नका करत बसू. Rather, please keep your attention here to the board. Instead of moving your hands doing nonsense things, please don't do it again. Okay? Concentrate over here. See, I am a doctor. Am I? Or you can add the remaining phrase. Now see, we use am I. So what remained here? A doctor. So you can add it here. So that is a phrase. Am I a doctor? Phrase म्हणजे काय? उरलेला त्याचा part जो आहे ना sentence चा, that is also called a phrase. And phrase is generally means two or more words come together or the rest part of the word, that is called phrase. Okay. Now, I have a cat. Have I? What will you add next here?
A cat.
Yes.
I a cat.
So either you can make it a full question using the whole part of the sentence, or you can just make it short. Like if you want to answer the question. Now see, these only the two questions we are going to study. Now this is a question. Okay, can we take one more or two more questions and the same questions will be converting into yes or no answers. Okay, so that you will see how to convert a sentence into a question, and then if you have to answer the question, how to answer it. Okay, now am is done. Are you going to use are and is? See, both of these we are going to use. Now tell me.
Are you doing?
Okay. Are you use a verb? Use a verb. Are you
Doing.
First give me a sentence, then we'll convert it.
Are you dancing?
It's going to be a question.
Are you dancing?
Okay, that is a question. Make it in a sentence. Convert it into a sentence. Statement. Are you dancing? Convert it into a statement. How will you convert? So to convert a statement, begin with the subject like this. Here, I is a subject. So if your question is, are you dancing? What is the subject over here? The person who is very, very important in the question, the person who is doing the action. So who is doing the action of dancing here?
She is dancing.
You used you, na? You used you. Are you dancing? What is the subject of your question? कोण सब्जेक्ट झाला त्या क्वेश्चन मधला? सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे करता, करविता. कोण झाला बरं?
You.
You. Okay. So begin your sentence with you. Now tell me the sentence. Simple sentence only or the statement. Okay. Don't jump for a question. You.
You are dancing.
Are you ready?
Good. You, no. Don't raise your voice at the end because it is going to be a question. You are dancing. Simple. You are dancing.
You are reading.
See, wait. Now convert this into question.
Teacher,
Here.
are you dancing?
Very good. Are you dancing?
मैं भी तुझे बोला था.
Now, question mark at the end. Okay. Now give me one more that is with is. Number 4. Tell me a sentence with is. You can use a name over here. Come on, construct a sentence using is. Simple.
My name is
Sonia is very intelligent.
Who is very intelligent?
Sonia is very intelligent.
Sonia. Okay. Sonia is very intelligent. Okay, so convert it into a question. Come on. Frame a question. Frame a question.
Teacher, is Sonia very intelligent?
Oh, very, very nice. Is Sonia very intelligent? Very good. Is Sonia खाली यायला थोडंसं very intelligent. Okay. Intelligence spelling बरोबर आहे का? इकडे ई पाहिजे. बघा, चेक करा. Okay. Now we are going to convert this into S or no. One more thing, okay? See, we just use have, am, are, and is. So here we use this, okay? So this is done, huh? We use only these forms. कोण आहे असं करतं? मग असं करायला लागेल ना की कोणीच उत्तर द्यायची नाही. माझा व्हिडिओ पण बंद केला, ऑडिओ पण बंद केला. Hello. Hello.
Teacher.
Okay. So we are going to answer these questions. Okay. How will I answer this question? In two ways. See, there are two ways to answer any question. Either it can be a positive or negative. Okay. So if I have to answer the question in a positive manner, what will I say? If a question is raised, a question is asked, and I have to answer it in a positive manner. Okay. So what will I say for positive and negative? For positive, what will I say? Yes. And for negative, what will I say? Come on. Just opposite of.
No.
For positive, I will say yes. And for negative,
No.
no. It is very, very simple. Now, the same way as we use the verbs here, the same way you are going to use it in your answer too. So, how your answer will be? If the question is asked, have I a cat? Okay. So this is a question asked to me, myself. Okay. Otherwise, if other person asks me, how will you ask? Have you? पण आपण आपल्या स्वतःलाच प्रश्न विचारला ना तर आपण काय म्हणतो have I? And you know that is called a monologue. Monologue म्हणजे काय? आपण आपल्याशीच बोलत असतो. हा मोनो मीन्स सिंगल. आणि तुमच्या नाटकामध्ये असं एक लिहिलेलं असतं बघा मराठीमध्ये असं कंसामध्ये स्वगत. That is called monologue. The conversation that is done with ourselves, that is called monologue. पण तेव्हा आपण असं आपल्याला स्वतःला प्रश्न विचारू शकतो. दुसऱ्याने विचारला तर तो चेंज होईल. तेही तुम्हाला नंतर आहे. ओके. So my answer would be yes. And what I will support here? Yes, I have. Done. See, I have a cat. Statement. Question. Have I or have I a cat? And the answer in a positive manner. Yes, I have. आता negative कसं उत्तर देणार? बघा. How will you answer it in a negative? Yes. No. No. I have. What to add up here? No, I have. काय करायला पाहिजे इकडे?
A cat.
If I am saying no, I have.
Not.
Not. Yes. But simple. Okay. So have I? Yes, I have. No, I have not. Now another. Okay. Another question. Am I a doctor? Am I a doctor for this?
Yes, I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And for negative?
No, I am not.
No, I am not.
No, I am not.
I am not. आता ह्याच्यासाठी पण नंतर अब्रिव्हिएशन आहे. आपण नेक्स्ट टाइम करूया. आय आंट आपण म्हणतो त्याला. हा. ओके. You are dancing. Are you dancing? Come on. Do this. Are you dancing? Tell me the answer. If it is yes, come on.
You.
Yes. Yes. कोण घ्यायचं त्याच्या पुढे? See, subject. So what is the subject?
Are.
Yes. Yes. Our subject आहे का? बघा, check.
You.
हा. Yes. You. काय घ्यायचंय पुढे? Yes, you. Yes.
Dancing.
And for negative?
Dancing.
शॉर्ट त्याच्या पुढे तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. ओके, शॉर्ट मध्ये. नाउ निगेटिव्ह, पॉझिटिव्ह, येस यू आर. निगेटिव्ह,
You are hungry.
नो. अरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा ना. नो, टेक द सेम.
You.
नो,
You are not.
आर. यू आर नॉट. ऍब्रिव्हिएशन आपण आर करतो. याचं नो यू आरंट, पण आपण ऍब्रिव्हिएशन नंतर बघू. आपल्याला आता फक्त समजून घ्या. सिंपल, येस यू आर, नो यू आर नॉट. ओके, and for this Sonia is very intelligent. I think here it is E. Intelligent केवळ स्पेलिंग मध्ये. Is Sonia very intelligent? So answer this. Yes.
S.
Yes. Here is a tree. Yes. Yes. See, we are talking about Sonia. So
Sonia.
Here what we will use for Sonia here?
She, teacher.
She, because she is not a part of our conversation, like not direct. We are not talking with Sonia, but I am talking with somebody else, and then while talking, we two. Okay, so we two are talking about Sonia when she is not with us, she is not present with us. So she is a third person, and being a third person, we will use she for her. Yes, she. Now she
Is.
Yes. No. Yes, she is. And for this negative form?
No. Yes, no.
No, she is not.
Yes, very good. No.
She is not.
Not. Very good. Now we are going to observe something that is really very, very important. इथे कुठे काय तुम्हाला आलं नाही का सांगा. काही अडलंय का? Is there any doubt till now? See, very simple. We first saw, see, a quick recap of all. Okay. Simply, we are going to see the questions with be and have on. We have not touched yet this. Okay.
तुम्ही परत म्यूट झालात.
मी तर हात सुद्धा लावत नाही. मी तर बोर्ड जवळच आहे. प्लीज असं करू नका रे. नाही तर मी खरंच नाही लेसन घेणार. कशासाठी लेसन घ्यायचे? असे काही चाळे करत असाल तुम्ही अनवॉन्टेड काहीतरी. लिंक पण तुटते ना माणसाची. आणि हे सगळं रेकॉर्डिंग मध्ये जातं. प्लीज माइंड युअर बिझनेस. ओके, नाव सी. हॅव आपण इथे घेतलंय आणि हॅज अजून टच नाही केलं. राईट. नाव सी, this is a sentence. While framing the sentence, what changes we make here? We just change this place. Baga, this is very, very important thing. We change, we swap. आपण स्वॅप करतो ना. तुम्ही खेळता ना कधी कधी गेम खांबा पकडी. मग तुम्ही खांबे कसे एकमेकांमध्ये बदलता ना, स्वॅप करता. किंवा चेअर्स पण खेळताना असं तुम्ही जेव्हा चेअर्स पण स्वॅप करतात ना, म्हणजे तुम्ही बदलतात, धावतात आणि नंतर बदलतात. सेम वे हियर वी हॅव टू स्वॅप देअर प्लेसेस. सो आय हॅव simple sentence, a statement, have I question. So these two words change their place like this. Baga. Okay. So I goes later and have comes first. Here also the same. I am. तुम्हाला हे गणितामध्ये पण आहे ना, मॅथ्स मध्ये जागा बदलतात पद इकडून तिकडे गेल्यानंतर. ओके, तसंच सेम इथे काय आहे की यू चेंज देअर प्लेस or swap their places while framing the question. I am becomes am I. I have becomes have I. You are becomes are you. And Sonia is becomes is Sonia. So this is swapping the places, changing the places. Okay, very, very simple. If you are answering the question yes, again use the same given in the question. Have I? Yes, I have. And you can add it like yes, I have a cat. Okay. No, I have not. No, I have not a cat. इथपर्यंत समजलंय? सेम असंच खाली आहे. जे वर्ब्स आपण इकडे घेतले ते वर्ब सेम यूज करायचे इकडे. Only thing is that here in the last sentence that was different. Why it was different? Because here we were talking about a person who was not here. Now see, I means I'm talking about myself. So this is a first person, the speaker. Okay. Now when it is you, it means I am speaking, I am talking with you. The person is present here. It is next to me. Okay. So the person I am speaking to or conversing to, that is you. So this is called a second person. Only three persons are there in the conversation. First person is the speaker, means myself. And the second person is I am talking to or speaking to, that is next person present while the conversation is going on, that is the second one. While we two are talking and we are mentioning or referring the person who is not here, and so that is a third person like Sonia. So when we are referring Sonia, we have to change accordingly. Here it is a girl, so we use she. If here was a boy, okay. Here, so what would be the change over here? Yes, for boy. For boy.
He.
She's.
Suppose we are talking about the thing, sometimes we take that for living also and non-living things also. So that is a one pronoun we use he, she, and for third person singular, what is he, she, and? Come on, tell me. Third person singular ला जे तीन pronouns आपण वापरतो he, she, and the rest is it.
No, it.
हा विसरता कसे तुम्ही अरे हे विसरू नका. दिस इज व्हेरी व्हेरी बेसिक. ओके. सो आपण इकडे इट घेतलं असतं. एवढं आहे. आता हे मी कॅन आय वाईट द बोर्ड नाव? कॅन आय वाईप इट आउट?
No, teacher. No. No minute.
हा तुम्ही त्याचा एक फोटो घ्या, स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या, मग मी पुसते.
झालं मॅम.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to frame the same questions using a different technique. We are going to use it in a different way. Okay. Can you throw any question? Can you throw any question?
No.
अरे बाबा, throw any questions म्हणजे एखादा कोणताही question मला सांगा. That is called throw a question. Okay. To throw a question means to ask a question. So can you ask me any question? Only the criteria is your question should be starting with WH. Important aspect. Now, give me a question. तुम्हाला फळा इकडे चमकतो का रे? नाही ना?
थोडा तिथं लाईट पडते.
हा लाईट पडते म्हणून मी पण आता ते बघितलं. मग मी इकडे घेते. हा इकडे घेते. इथे चमकतो. ओके.
हो तिथेच चमकते.
Should be starting with WH. Now throw a question. Ask a question. Come on.
What day is today?
Okay, very nice.
What is the name?
Day is it. See, watch here, okay? Today. And if
What is the name?
it is okay. Now what is done? What is done? Another one, but not what, but use WH. Think of it. Think of it. There are many questions begins with W, that is called WH questions, and one only that begins with H. बघूया तुम्हाला काय सांगता येते ते. What? Another question begin with WH but not with what. बाकीचे दुसरे क्वेश्चन्स मला सांगायचे ते WH ने सुरू होतात पण what ने नाही.
Why are you?
Very nice. Good, good. Why are you? Why are you?
Where?
Why are you? Are you have to say something more here.
Where is
Teacher,
my train?
crying.
First,
Why are you crying?
why are you
Crying.
Why
Doing.
Crying.
Okay, good. Why are you crying? मी तुम्हाला पुस्तकाप्रमाणे नाही नेत आहे कारण तुम्हाला स्वतःला करायला यायला पाहिजे, स्वतःला बोलायला पाहिजे. आपण पुस्तकामध्ये
Where is my train?
Why are you crying? So, can you see any mistake here? Can you see any mistake here? Just check the sentence.
Where is my train?
Here, why are you crying? I wrote this sentence here on the board. Can you spot any mistake? Is there any mistake in my writing? Check.
There are no.
Where? Teacher,
question mark.
Yes, very nice. When it is a question, you should end it with a question mark. And another word is that interrogation. Interrogation, question. So this is interrogatory mark. Okay. Now, third question.
Where is my train?
Okay. Where?
Where is my train?
Can you say where is my train? Okay. Where? On which platform you can say? Okay. Okay. Where is my, for train we will take another WH, okay? Where is my, here is another thing. Where is my
phone?
Okay, good. Where is my phone? Now take a train and make a sentence or make a question. Take a train, use a train in your question, make a question.
Where? When is Diwali?
Okay. See, we will talk about train. When is my train? When is, or use another something for train. When is her train? No.
When is Diwali in 2021?
See, what, why, where, find out which is remain.
When.
See, what, why, where, when, done.
For.
Come on, huh? You have to just brainstorm, think over. WH question I am talking about. So what, why, where, when, that is done. Two more I want.
Which is one?
Yes, which is, come on, which is?
Month running now.
Okay, which is this month? Now here one thing is that, see here, as you made a question, that is why, which is this month? We see. We use when there are two things or many things, then we have to choose, then we use which. See, earlier the rule is changed now. We don't use which for this. when there is no selection, no choices are given. So here, is there any choices given for you? No, because you are asking about the month. Okay, you are not giving any information or any further things like 2-3 months are there, and which is your, like, if I say which is your favorite dish, so which there are no dishes, but if I say there are paneer biryani, there is mutton biryani, chicken biryani. So three options are there. And which is your favorite? It means the options are given. You have to pick any, select any. You have a choice. Then you can ask which. When there is nothing provided like that, you have to ask what. What is the month running, or what is this month? Okay, so we change this. Okay, what is this? Which is this month? No, which is changing. कळलं तुम्हाला मी काय बोलले? आता ते आलं म्हणून, हा, नाहीतर वेगळं त्याचा अजून एक वेगळा आपण सेशन घेतला असता. आपण पहिल्यांदा विच यूज करायचो. आता विच आपण केव्हा यूज करतो? जेव्हा तुम्हाला 2-3 ऑप्शन्स आहेत. लाईक सी, I have 3-4 colors with me because see, I am in the shop and I have to buy a dress, and there are many beautiful dresses. So when the shopman, like seller is there or the salesman is there, and he is showing me, see, this dress and this dress. Okay, he showed me 3-4 dresses, and then he said, okay, which is you want to buy, which is one or which one? So choices are there. Okay, and randomly if I am asking anything, then it is what. समजलं? आपण what विचारतो. What is your favorite subject? कारण मी तुम्हाला सब्जेक्ट सांगितले का? नाही. मग what is your favorite subject? पण मी म्हटलं की आपण I study in my school English, Marathi, Hindi, Math, Science, and then I say, but Maths is my favorite subject. कळलं? आणि समोरचा प्रश्न विचारेल, विच इज युअर फेवरेट, कारण तुम्हाला खूप ऑप्शन्स आहेत ना तेव्हा. कळलं फरक तुम्हाला? विच वापरताना आपण ऑप्शन्स देतो किंवा आपल्याकडे सिलेक्शन साठी वाव असतो. ओके, सो विच इज युअर फेवरेट कलर, ब्लॅक और व्हाईट? हा, असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. ओके, मग आता विच इज आहे, तुम्ही मला एखादा क्वेश्चन सांगा. विच इज. आता मंथ घ्यायचा असेल तर कसं म्हणणार? विच इज
favorite month.
सिंपल विच इज. सांगा, मंथ जर घ्यायचं असेल तर इकडे काय लिहायचं? मी तुम्हाला कमीत कमी 2 तरी मंथ द्यायला लागतील ना.
Sun. Choice your color.
बोल.
Which is sun?
Which is
Your color.
Which is
your color. Which is color?
नुसतं कलर कसं काय म्हणणार?
Choice your color. December or January.
हा. Which is your choice, comma, okay, a dress or a sari. Which is your choice, a dress or a sari? Okay, आता which आपण म्हटलं आणि a dress or sari आपण ऑप्शन्स दिले. ओके, म्हणजे आपण समजा कुठेतरी फंक्शनला चाललोय आणि आपण असं ठरवलंय की आपण काहीतरी घालायचं, आणि मग तेव्हा आपण हे विचारतो, हा, which is your choice, a dress or a sari? Now number 6, or which is your favorite month? Which is your favorite month? August or November? August Diwali, November winter. Okay, so which is your favorite month? Then here August or November. Okay, now what is remain? Spot.
Which is favorite month?
Why, what, when, which? What is remain for WH?
What, where, when, which?
अजून काय राहिलं इथे?
Teacher, who? Who are you?
Simple. Who are you? मी अजून okay?
Who are you sleep?
Who are you speaking about? म्हणजे आपण तू कोणाबद्दल बोलतोयस? Who are you speaking about? Okay. Now this is remain. What is it? What? See how many WH? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 WH and H is 1. Give me one H. Now your question should begin with H. H. आठवतं H ने एवढाला सुरू.
How?
Yes, very good. How? How?
How are you doing? How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing? म्हणजे कसं चाललंय तुझं बाबा? How are you doing? So.
How are you?
Very good. How are you? So.
How are you?
Yes. So WH questions means 6 WH and 1 is H. Okay. What, where, why, where, when, which, who, and 7th is how. So these are all framing WH questions. Now see what we used. We used what is, where is, why are. We use are. Okay. Where is, we use is. Again is, are. झालं हे? आता have. ओके. have चे आपण स्टार्टिंगला बनवलंय. has राहिलाय. ओके. कम ऑन. नाउन याचा स्क्रीन फोटो घ्यायचा तुम्हाला मम्मी हे पुसते. ओके. टेक अ क्विक फोटो अँड देन आय विल वाइप इट ऑफ. फोटोला स्नॅप पण म्हणतात हा. टेक अ स्नॅप. Done? झालं का? Come on. Can I wipe the board off? Huh?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. सांगा ना मला मग पुढे जायला. आता हे झालं आपलं. अजून तुम्ही प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये जात त्यामुळे पाचचा विचार नका करू. हा ओके. Okay. Now see have and has. Concentrate here. In our earlier session, what we have learned? What we have learned. मी बघा सेंटेन्स कसं वापरलं. We have learned. What we have learned? We have learned about main and auxiliary verbs. We have learned about main and auxiliary verbs in last lecture.
मॅम तुमचा माइक म्यूट आहे.
we use have. Can you see here any changes in the verb? Here. Tell me a verb here in the sentence. Hello, come on.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me a verb in this sentence. What is the verb here?
Learned.
Learn. Okay, good. Now, learn. See the verb. Okay, learn. Learn चा base form काय आहे? Learn.
Learn.
Then
Learn.
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 And then
Learn.
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 We have learned पण लिहितात आणि we have learned पण लिहितात.
टीचर तुमचा माईक बंद झालाय.
God. This is basic form or the first form. This is second form and this is third. Okay, हे आपण past ला घेतो simple past ला आणि हे this is called a third form or past participle. मग have ला काय येतं? Past participle येतं बघा. Past participle means third form of a verb. Learn, present किंवा future, learn simple past आणि third form आहे learn किंवा learn आणि मध्ये आपण यूज करतो continuous form मध्ये, that is continuous form मध्ये what we use here, continuous form means when you add ing to all the verbs, so it is learning. Okay, so that is continuous for all. म्हणून इकडे आपण continuous चा घेतला नाही. Original form, then the past form, and this is the past participle means third form. First form, second form and third form. So this is a third form we have to use when we use have and has. Okay? आता बघा. Second, हे statement झालं. Statement. आता ह्याचा आपण क्वेश्चन कसं करणार आहात? क्वेश्चन कसं करणार बघा. आपण स्पॉट केलं की नाही हे आणि सब्जेक्ट. हा सब्जेक्ट आहे. ओके, एवढं लांबचं वाक्य बघून घाबरायचं काही कारण नाही. आपण फक्त सेंटेन्स कन्वर्ट करतो ना क्वेश्चन मध्ये. काय बघतो? सब्जेक्ट बघतो आणि वर्ब बघतो. आता आपण आधी सिंपल केलं. आधी फक्त बीचं होतं. सेम इथे बीच्या ऐवजी इथे एम इज आरच्या ऐवजी काय आहे? हॅव आहे. इथे वर्ब होतं. त्या वर्बच्या इथे वर्बचा फक्त पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म आहे. एवढाच चेंज आहे, बाकी काही चेंज नाही. See, the subject is the same for all questions. Only the question is that when we deal with have forms, instead of using be's, am, is, are form, we use have or had. So have is used. That is the verb here. And another verb, because this is an auxiliary verb here. Okay. So this verb is there. Now we have to check the form. So the form is past participle. How we are going to convert the sentence into a question? Same way. We have learned. Check this part only. बस. हे बाकीचं जे आहे ना ते that is phrase or that is remaining part of a sentence. We have learned. Have we?
Have we done?
Learned. Very good. And the rest part of the sentence and the end question mark. Have we learned? एवढं सिंपल आहे. आता मी हे एवढं मोठं सेंटेन्स घेतलं होतं कशासाठी? तुम्हाला हे एवढं समजावून सांगायला. सेम सेंटेन्स होतं म्हणून आपल्या लेसनशी निगेल. Now you are going to give me a sentence, means a question that is having have or has and a past participle of any word. Okay, come on, any word. Now third sentence or question. आता डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन सांगा मला. ओके, using have. Only the thing that is required, past participle of the verb. Okay. Come on. Suppose I say, I have no verb. आपण am is are इथे आपण ना काय केलं होतं, इथे अजून एक verb नव्हता घेतला. आता have has आपण घेतो तेव्हा आपण अजून एखादा verb इथे घ्यायचं, म्हणजे आपल्याला त्याचा past participle करायचे म्हणून. So we cannot directly take an object after first verb. Okay, we have to choose or we have to go for one more verb. आता मी I have च्या बरोबर अजून काय लिहू शकते? What I am doing here, what I am doing this. Give me the verb for my action. What I am doing this.
Writing.
Yes. Writing. Okay. So if I have to say or you are telling me, तर तुम्ही माझं writing घेऊन कसं वाक्य बनवाल? And you have to use have and has. Tell me. Has for he, she, it, and have for rest of all. Okay.
Teacher has.
Teacher, very good. आपण चुकायचं आणि शिकायचं, मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. असं आपण रेडीमेड सेंटेन्सेस बघून नाही शिकायचं. ओके. टीचर, नो. व्हॉट विल यू टेक? टीचर has.
Has.
Very nice. Teacher has. Teacher has. And for writing, what is the main verb?
Writing.
Right. Right. Not writing. Main is a base form. Okay. So that is right. And now writes past participle. Right.
Written.
Teacher has written. What? Teacher has written.
On board.
What on board? आपण it घ्यायचं. Teacher has written it on board. Okay. Teacher has written it on board. Now convert it into a question. Make it a question.
Has teacher written?
Has
teacher written?
Then it on board.
Has teacher
Written.
Very nice. Very good. Has teacher written? Question mark. Finish. आपण एवढंच बघायचं फक्त. Only we have to spot for the subject and the verbs provided. And the rest part of the sentence, that is called a phrase, or the remaining part of the sentence, that we are going to add it as it is. No changes. Changing part, that is this. Subject and verb. And here it is, when we are using have and has, we have to watch for past participle. Okay. Now, another, number 4. So, children, can you provide me one more example or one more question for the better understanding? Masta, Ada directly, can you frame a question directly? No statement, directly. Tell me a question, okay? Baga? So, any question, you can use have and has and make a question. Come on.
Have she sharpened?
Yes. When you have to use she, what will you use? Have or has? So mind that I am telling you again and again.
Has.
She. Has she. Now here you will write name. Tell me any name. Has. You can name. Okay. Nominate any person. Has grandma. Okay. First question. Has grandma has grandma, come on, use a verb.
Sitting on chair.
Has grandma sitting at the past participle.
Sat.
Sit, sat, sat. Has grandma sat on the chair? Okay. One more with have. And last, then we'll wind up. Come on, one more with have. Think of the verb and frame your question. Come on, fast. Think about any action, okay? Come on.
Have she swinging on swing?
See, have. If you're using have, you have to use any pronoun instead of he, she, it. So what will you take here? Have.
Have she?
she म्हटलं की has. He, she, it ला has घ्यायचं ते तीन सोडून कोणी पण घ्या have ला. Okay. So have.
Have he swinging on swing?
He, she, it घ्यायचं नाही सांगितलं तरी he, she, it घेताय. He, she, it ला पण has घेतो. बाकी आहेत ना I, we, you, they त्याच्यातलं घ्या कोणीतरी. Come on.
Have you swinging on swing?
Have they.
मॅडम have are पण घेऊ शकतो.
आता इथे आपण काय बघतो पहिल्यांदा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हॅव आणि हॅज यूज केल्यानंतर मग हॅव दे सिंग सॅंग संग. तुम्हाला हे पाठ करायला लागेल. ओके. हॅव दे संग दिस सॉन्ग. ऑन द स्ट्रीट पण घेऊ शकता पुढे. हॅव दे संग द सॉन्ग, सिंग, सॉन्ग आणि संग. कळलं? So past participle that you have to mug up because that is a table given. You have to go for first form, second form and third form because here when we use have and has in a sentence or a question we have to use past participle. आपण past participle use करतो. Okay? Got it? Revision करा एकदा जरा बघा. Okay? Thank you so much. So we are going to
मॅडम मला एक क्वेश्चन आहे. सेंटेन्स मध्ये ए कधी लावायचा आणि ए कधी लावायचा नाही म्हणजे हे तुम्ही सेंटेन्स देतात त्याच्यात.
ए जेव्हा दोन रूल्स आहेत. ए ना जेव्हा when we are referring a single thing like I have one cat. One it means single. So when we are referring or telling about a thing, single thing, then we use a. I have a cat. I have a brother. Not I have one brother, I have a brother, I have a sister. That is first. Okay, got it? The second rule is that when you use a very first time. So this is a board. First time, first sentence, referring the board. This is a board. The board is. So when we are referring back means we have informed about the same earlier sentence, and then when we are going to say some more thing about the words we have referred back, so while referring back use the. See, this is a board. The board is having two sides. Okay, or this is the board has two sides. Now here green and white. See again, the board has two sides, green and white. The white side is. Why the white side? Because I used about white and green in my first sentence. So very simple. When you are saying something about one thing, use a. When you are saying or introducing thing in a first sentence, use a. When you are saying more about the same thing that is introduced in earlier sentence, use the. Clear?
ओके मॅडम, म्हणजे सिंगलला आपण ए वापरायचा आणि अनेक असतात त्यावेळी एन वापरायचा.
हा, सिंगलला नेहमी अ वापरायचा आपण, त्याला आपण ना वन वन म्हणायची गरज नाही. जसं आय जस्ट हॅव अ पेन, माझ्याकडे एकच पेन आहे ना, सो आय हॅव अ पेन, बस. दिस इज द ओनली पेन. बघा मी दोन्ही वापरले आता सेंटेन्स मध्ये. आय हॅव अ पेन, कारण मी पहिल्यांदाच सांगते माझ्याकडे एकच पेन आहे ना, आय हॅव अ पेन. आय हॅव द ओनली पेन, or this is the only pen I have, because I have talked about the same pen in my first sentence. So when I am telling more about the same, use the. कळलं? म्हणजे the आपण referring back करताना वापरतो. आणि one more important rule for the, that is very specific thing, very particular thing, when there is no other thing is there existing, or unanimously only one thing, like we have one, so the earth. We have only one sun in this solar system, so the sun and the moon and the earth. कळलं? Very specific, unanimously, म्हणजे एकच एक आपल्याकडे आहे.
ओके,
थँक्यू.